Hello friends, welcome back to this video. In this video, today we will learn our today's part of present perfect continuous tense part 5. And in today's video, today we will explore the contraction form because we were supposed to learn this and today we will do that. That's why I have created this video. So no more talking, let's get started. And today we will learn the contraction from positive to negative ones. That is here it is the positive and here it is the negative. So let's see, we can start from here, the positive and negative one, then we will look forward the question. So see, I have been playing. Okay, so how can we make it contraction? We can write I've been playing, but how can we transform it? By doing this, we can just cut these HA of the spelling, okay, and then we can add the apostrophe before the word of V. Then it becomes I've been playing, and the pronunciation of this that I've been playing, and which indicates I have been playing. Okay, same like here, that is I have not been playing. It's in the negative, you know, and when we want to make it into the negative, we generally say I haven't. It sounds like this. I haven't been playing. Okay, and during of this, we generally cancel the O and add the apostrophe. Then it becomes like this. I haven't been playing. Okay, same like here. Okay, the sentences are similar with this one, the use of have. Same like you've been, you haven't been. Okay, here we didn't add a verb because that is our main goal, that is to focus on the contraction. But if you want to say the verb, we can say you've been working. We can say like this, and if you want to say in the negative, you can say you haven't been playing. You've been playing, you haven't been playing. We've been playing, we haven't been playing. They've been playing, they haven't been playing. This was okay. This one is positive and that is negative. Okay, I hope you have get it. We have already learned the use of has. Okay, and now same like we will learn the word of has. So let's check. He has been playing. He has been playing. He's been playing. So the pronunciation of the word is he's. We have just combined them. Then it becomes like he's. How can you pronounce that? He's been playing. Same like here, if you want to say this word, okay, you have to cut this and then you have to just add the apostrophe, then you have to contract them, you have to add them. Then it becomes into like this, he's been playing. Same like here, during the negative, he has not been playing, he hasn't. Znt sound, okay, zent sound. He hasn't been playing. How can we say that? When you want to make it, you have to cancel the O and then add the apostrophe. Then you have to just combine them. You have to just match them. Then it becomes like he hasn't been playing. Same like that there are some similarities with these. Same like if you just observe this, then you can understand. For example, she's been playing. She hasn't been playing. It's been playing. It hasn't been playing. Okay, one is positive and another one is only for the negative. Okay, one is positive and another one is only for negative. I hope you have get it very well. And now in this time we will just only focus the question. Okay, what indicates the question? Okay, let's check. During the positive form of question, we generally don't focus the contraction because contraction isn't used the positive form of question, but it is used with the negative ones. For example, if I write this, that is, okay, have I not played? Okay, have I not played? Have I not played? If I say, okay, have I not, okay, okay, so have I not been playing? I can write these one. Okay, have I not been playing? My mistake. Have I not been playing? Okay, has he not been playing? Okay, in this case, what should we do? Okay, what do we need to do? What's the main task to make it transform it? Okay, during of this, if you want to make it into the transfer, if you say just with not, have I not been playing, has he not been playing, when you say that with have, so for example, that is I, you, we, they, and if you want to say has he, she, it, or etc., it takes too much time. And what that word, that is not. So if you want to save your time, if you want to make it a little bit of formal, okay, like your fan, can you understand quickly, you can just say it simply. That is, instead of have and after the add the not, you can say that they haven't. Okay, haven't. For example, you don't need to write the not. You can just write these. Okay, imagine that I have just written before this the word of I haven't, which fully indicates that is have not. Then it becomes like this. Okay, I have already erased that. Then it fully becomes a haven't I been playing. Then the people will understand the full form, that is have I not been playing. Same like of here. If we say like this, that is if we cut, okay, and when I writing, just erase that. Okay, so if we just if we don't say, and if we only say did, it is hasn't. Here, just look at this, hasn't. Hasn't also indicates what? Has not. So if you just say, you only say hasn't he been playing? Okay, if you say this, then the people will understand that is, has he not been playing? Okay, that's the easy technique to explain the people, and that will save your time. And if you say like this, have I not been playing, which wastes your time and it takes more time. Okay, I hope you get it. Okay, and this is the easy technique to understand this. So by the way, if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video, and see you in the next video everyone, and bye for now.